Model, 2010 Citroën Relay 35L2 Diesel 2.2 HDi Chassis Cab 120 PS Tipper tested in good working order. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 139,155. Engine, 2198 cc PSA 4 Who 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect on easy start. Needs injector number 1 and no 2 replacing. Gearbox looks all good once all work be a great tipper to use. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.